It's something that's taken a piece of me away that I'll never get back. I spent days and nights awake. I wouldn't leave my mother's side. I didn't want to go outside at all. I didn't want to continue, if you will. I had months of therapy. I had to take a lot of time off work because I couldn't concentrate, I couldn't sleep. Nobody realises the impact of RTAs until it happens to them or around them or to someone they know or someone they love. And it's devastating for so many people. It's impacted me and everybody I know, family, friends, work colleagues, people that meet me that didn't know me before. It's impacted hundreds of people. After any kind of incident like this, just being a witness is going to affect your life forever. But I've had a turnaround now, but it's taken a lot of people and a lot of time and a lot of effort from lots and lots of people. I still think it's something that's never going to leave my mind. It's something I'm really concerned about and will be forever. I've fallen off of my balance a couple of times since, but because of the people I've got around me and the people I've had access to for help, I've kept my head above the water, but it's too easy to fall without realising you're going down. And other than that, you've got to keep going, and a lot of people have helped me to do so. If what's happened to me, my story could help somebody else realise the dangers out there, that's all I can imagine I can do.